Before you spend another year studying English, listen to this. Most English learners make the same mistake. They spend months, sometimes years, memorizing vocabulary lists, studying grammar rules, and watching endless lessons. Yet when someone asks them a simple question in English, they freeze. Why does this happen? Because fluency is not about knowing thousands of words. It is about using the right words confidently and naturally. Now here's something surprising. What if I told you that you don't need 5,000 words to start speaking English? What if just 500 carefully learned words could help you understand conversations, express your ideas, and communicate with people from around the world? It may sound impossible, but many language experts agree that the most common English words appear again and again in everyday communication. The secret is not learning more. The secret is learning better. In today's episode, I will show you how focusing on the right words can dramatically improve your English. You will learn practical strategies, avoid common mistakes, and discover a simple daily routine that can help you make real progress. By the end of this episode, you will have a clear plan for building confidence, improving fluency, and making English a natural part of your life. So sit back, relax. My name is Sarah. Let's begin. Many English learners spend years studying. They memorize hundreds of words, they read textbooks, they complete grammar exercises. Yet when someone asks them a simple question, they become nervous. For example, what did you do today? How was your weekend? What are your plans for tomorrow? These are simple questions, but many learners struggle to answer them. Why? Because learning a language is not only about knowing words, it is about using words quickly and naturally. Imagine owning a large library full of books. The books are valuable, but if you never open them, they cannot help you. Vocabulary works the same way. Knowing words is useful. Using them is what creates fluency. Research shows that the most common English words appear again and again in daily conversations. Words like go, come, get, make, take, good, time, work, people, want. You hear these words everywhere, in movies, podcasts, conversations, social media posts, books. These words are like the foundation of a house. Without a strong foundation, the house cannot stand. Without common vocabulary, fluency becomes difficult. Instead of learning rare words first, focus on the words native speakers use every day. This approach saves time, it reduces stress, and it produces faster results. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is studying isolated words. For example, arrive equals come to a place. That definition may help for a moment, but your brain remembers information better when it is connected to real situations. Instead, learn, I arrive home at 6 o'clock. I arrived late yesterday. What time will you arrive? Now the word becomes part of a story, part of a situation, part of real communication. The more context you use, the stronger your memory becomes. Native speakers often use groups of words together. These groups are called chunks. Let's look at the word take. You can learn take a break, take your time, take care, take responsibility, take a picture. Notice something important. The word stays the same, but the meaning changes depending on the words around it. This is how real English works. Instead of collecting individual words, collect useful phrases. Your English will sound more natural immediately. Your brain remembers personal information more easily. If you love football, create sentences about football. If you enjoy cooking, create sentences about cooking. If you work in an office, use office vocabulary. For example, I cook dinner every evening. My favorite food is rice and chicken. I watch football on weekends. I go to work at 8 o'clock. Because these sentences connect to your life, they become easier to remember. Many learners want fast results. They try to learn 50 or 100 words in a single day. After a few days, they become tired. Then they stop studying. A better strategy is consistency. Learn 10 words every day. Create a few sentences. Read them aloud. Review them tomorrow. 10 words may seem small, but 10 words every day becomes 70 words in 1 week, 300 words in 1 month, more than 3,000 words in 1 year. Small steps become powerful when repeated consistently. Many learners spend years listening and reading, but they avoid speaking. They wait for the perfect moment. They wait until they feel ready. The problem is that readiness comes from practice. You do not learn to speak by waiting. You learn to speak by speaking. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Describe your room. Describe your plans. For example, I am drinking tea. I am studying English. I will visit my friend tomorrow. A simple 15-minute daily routine. Let's create a realistic study plan. Morning, 5 minutes. Review yesterday's words. Read your sentences aloud. Practice pronunciation. Afternoon, 5 minutes. Listen to a short English video or podcast. Pay attention to familiar words. Notice how native speakers use them. Evening, 5 minutes. Create a short story. Use your new vocabulary. Record yourself speaking. Listen again and improve one small thing. That's all. Only 15 minutes. No pressure, no stress. Just steady progress. Many learners worry about mistakes. They think, my English is not good enough. I speak too slowly. People will laugh at me. These thoughts are normal. Every language learner experiences them. But remember, mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every mistake teaches something new. Every conversation builds confidence. Every sentence makes you stronger. Perfection is not the goal. Communication is the goal. At first, learning English feels slow. Progress may seem invisible, but something important is happening. Your brain is building connections. Each day, these connections become stronger. Then one day, something amazing happens. You understand a video without subtitles. You read a social media post easily. You understand part of a movie. You reply to a message quickly. This is called the snowball effect. Small improvements combine and create big changes. The more you learn, the easier learning becomes. Now, there are a few common mistakes that many people make when learning English, and avoiding them can save you a lot of time. Mistake 1. Learning long word lists. Words without sentences are quickly forgotten. Always learn words in context. Mistake 2. Not speaking enough. Speaking develops fluency. Practice every day. Mistake 3. Studying too much at once. Learning 50 words today and forgetting them tomorrow is not efficient. Learn fewer words and use them often. Mistake 4. Comparing yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Focus on your own progress. Now, I'd like you to imagine something for a moment. Imagine yourself 1 year from today. You wake up in the morning and check your phone. A message arrives in English, and this time you understand it immediately. You smile and reply without translating every word in your head. Later, you watch a short video in English and understand most of what is being said. You don't feel confused or frustrated anymore. Now imagine you're traveling. You walk into a cafe and confidently order your food and drinks. You ask for directions, understand the answers, and continue your day without feeling nervous. You meet new people and have simple conversations in English. You share your ideas, tell your stories, and express yourself with confidence. At the end of the day, you realize something amazing. English is no longer a subject you study. It has become a skill you use. And all of this started with small daily habits, a few words at a time, and the decision to keep going even when progress felt slow. That future is possible. The journey may take time, but every sentence you practice today brings you one step closer to it. Before we finish, remember this. Fluency is not built in a single day. It is built day by day. word by word and conversation by conversation. You don't need to learn thousands of words this week. You simply need to take one small step today. So here's my challenge for you. Choose 10 common English words, write a short paragraph using them, and read it aloud 3 times. Keep it simple and stay consistent. Those small daily actions can create amazing results over time. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who is also learning English, and subscribe for more practical English lessons that help you speak with confidence. Thank you so much for listening. Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep speaking English every day. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and goodbye.